Frank from Frank Castle Customs. This is going to be my first video with my Gladiator build. I just picked it up from the dealer, and I'm taking it now to go get tinted. And after that, tomorrow morning is going to the custom shop where I dropped off my wheels, tires, suspension, front bumper, winch, and a couple of other accessories. And we're gonna go ahead and pick it up later on in the week once it's completed. I went with the black color Sport S model, and yeah, I mean, so far, I mean, it drives like a Jeep. So we're gonna see how it drives once I put the lift kit on it and all that stuff. I went with the rough country 3.5-inch lift. I know what you guys are gonna say. Why rough country? I live in Miami. The biggest thing that I'm gonna crawl over here is gonna be a speed bump, and that's about it. So I'm putting that kit for now just to get it lifted and get it looking nice. And in the future, I'll go ahead and change at least the shocks and add a couple more suspension components to the truck. But as of now, that's what we're doing. I'm putting 20-inch rims, 20 by 12s, and with 37 by 13.5 by 20 Milestar Patagonias. The front bumper is going to be a smittybilt. Side steps are going to be rough country. The winch is going to be rough country, just because I have a hookup for rough country stuff. So that's what I went with. And I'm also going to be adding a couple of lights from rough country, the black series as well. So that's it. Next time you see the truck, I'll do a quick video to show you the truck once I get the tints in its stock form, and after that I'll do a video after I pick it up from the custom shop. So that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks, have a good one. Hey guys, what's going on? We're here at Miami Power Wheels. As you can see, I have Frank Castle Customs Gladiator here. It's a Gladiator Sport S, and we're gonna go ahead and drop it off at Miami Power Wheels, and they're gonna start working on it. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it off, and we'll pick it up in like 2 days or so. And in 2 days or so, you're gonna see a totally different animal, hopefully. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I pick it up. We did the tints yesterday. I picked it up yesterday, and then we did the tints, limo tints all the way around. And since I'm here in Miami and it's hot as shit, we went with limo, and then now we're gonna go ahead and install the suspension, wheels, tires, all that good stuff, the side steps. Yeah, we're gonna get this up in the air. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I pick up the truck. Jeep is complete for now. This is where we're at. 20-inch XDs with Patagonias, 37 by 1350 by 20 rough country step bars, rough country 50-inch LED blackout series, rough country 12-inch blackout series, rough country winch, smittybilt front bumper, the XRC Generation 2. Blacked out the front turn signals and put a short antenna on it. And that will be it for now on the rough country 3.5 suspension with the steering stabilizer. And that's about it. I will be posting videos and long-term reviews of all this stuff to see how it performs. Thanks for watching.